Welcome to our guide on portrait photography and strobes. We're going to explore why strobes are a great choice for portraits and provide some guidance on how selecting the right one for your needs. Why should you consider using strobe for your portraits? Well, strobes offer consistent and adjustable lighting, which means you can rely on them to produce predictable results, unlike natural light, which can change rapidly depending on the time. Strobes allow you to maintain a stable lighting setup throughout your shoot, ensuring that you can rely on repeatable outcomes. Another advantage of strobes is their versatility. You can control their intensity and direction, which gives you the freedom to create a variety of lighting effects. Whether you want soft light, diffuse light, or something flattering for portraits or more dramatic and contrasty, strobes can help you achieve that vision actually. Furthermore, strobes excel in challenging lighting conditions, such as indoor or studio setups. They can overpower ambient light or the sun, or fill in shadows, providing you with full creative control over your portraits. Choosing the right strobe. This is something very important. When it comes to selecting the ideal strobe for your portrait work, there are a few key factors to consider, and I'll keep it straightforward so you can follow. The first one, power output. Think about how strong the strobe is. More power is useful for larger spaces or when you need to compete with the bright sunlight. The other one, recycle time. Consider how quickly the strobe is ready for the next shot. A shorter recycle time is valuable for capturing spontaneous expressions. The third one, compatibility. This is important. Make sure that your strobe is compatible with your camera system. Some strobes may have different features for certain camera brands. Also, the other one is going to be modifiers. Check if there's an accessory like softboxes, umbrellas, or grids available for the strobe that you're looking for. There can be some shapes that doesn't fit with your strobe. The other one is build quality. Look for a strobe with a sturdy build, something that's going to last you for a long time. And now that we're talking about modifiers, remember that the one that's more universal is going to be Bowen's mount, which is this one. Now, let's see how to use a strobe for portraits. We're going to adjust its power and position to create different looks in your photos. Soft light for flattering portraits and experiment on your style. We're going to be pairing this strobe light with the Kate backdrop hand-painted canvas. The quality is amazing and the texture will reflect the strobe light beautifully. We're going to enhance our photo that way. Okay, we're going to start this shoot with a light bearer bulb with the strobe. And then we're going to use a modifier, a small modifier, to see the difference between the lights and the shadows. I'm going to be using 3.5 as a power output from the strobe. I'm going to use 100 ISO and 3.5 as aperture. Let me just measure the light real quick. I want to make sure that we are lighting correctly. Yep, 3.2, 3.5 aperture. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right, 1, 2, 3. Give me a little smile. Crazy, crazy face. There you go, that's perfect. And now I'm gonna put a modifier, a small modifier, just to see the difference between the shadows and the lights. This is, I'm gonna move a little bit further so the light can spill a little bit softer and diffuse it a little bit better. Since I put a modifier, the power output is gonna be lower because of the diffuser. So we're gonna measure the light again. Let's see. It's 2.0, so I'm gonna give my strobe a little bit more light. 2.2, I need more light actually. There you go. It's gonna be the same aperture. I matched the aperture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it again. Crazy face. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's perfect. Strobes can make your portrait photography better. They're consistent and they're versatile. When you choose one, think about what you need. Keep practicing and your skills, along with your business, will grow.